In this video, we'll demonstrate how to utilize the Forgot Password feature. To begin, locate and click on the Forgot Your Password option. Next, enter your username in the designated field. Please ensure that you input the correct username. Proceed by clicking on the Reset Password button. A recovery email link will be sent to the email address associated with your registered account. Access your email inbox and click on the provided link. You will be redirected to the Change Password page. Enter your desired new password in the appropriate field. For enhanced security, we recommend using alphanumeric passwords. Once entered, click on the Change Password button. Congratulations! Your password has been successfully changed. You can now log in using your new password. Thank you for watching.